Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Cottagecore aesthetic home interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Cottagecore is a decorative style inspired by simple rural life, English countryside cottages, handmade crafts, and vintage charm. It creates a cozy, peaceful, storybook-like atmosphere, almost like stepping into a countryside novel. It is similar to Shapetic English country style and farmhouse style, but Cottagecore feels softer, more whimsical, and nature-focused. Key elements of Cottagecore decor use soft, natural color palette like cream, ivory, and chess green, dusty rose, lavender, or soft blues and warm beige tones. Think sun-faded, nature-inspired colors. Uses floral and botanical patterns like tiny floral prints, wildflower motifs, botanical wall art, Pinterest-inspired wallpaper. Florals are a must for that romantic countryside feel. Uses vintage and antique pieces like distressed wooden furniture, antique mirrors, old books stacked on tables, vintage clocks and frames. The goal is collected over time, not modern perfection. Handmade and craft details. Since you enjoy crochet decor, Cottagecore loves crochet table genres, lace curtains, handmade pillow covers, knitted blankets, embroidered cushion covers, handcrafted items add warmth and authenticity. Uses natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, wicker baskets, ceramic vases, and jade flowers. Bring nature indoors as much as possible. Cozy lived-in feeling. Use layered bedding, soft lighting like lamps or fairy lights. Use tea sets on display, reading nook by the window. It should feel peaceful, warm, and nostalgic, like a solo Sunday afternoon in the countryside. Cottagecore room inspiration. First, living room. Use floral sofa covers, vintage coffee table, crochet throw blanket, fresh or dried flowers. For kitchen, use open wooden shelves, glass jars with cranes, floral curtains, vintage-style teacups. For bedroom, use ruffled bedding or iron bed frame. Use soft bedside table and botanical wall art. Why Cottagecore is so popular? It promotes solo living, simplicity, connection to nature, handmade creativity, and comfort over perfection. It is especially perfect if you love vintage farmhouse, Shapetic, and grandma-inspired charm, which matches your style beautifully. The deeper meaning behind Cottagecore. Cottagecore is not just a look, it is a lifestyle-inspired aesthetic. It romanticizes solo mornings, baking bread from scratch, gardening and wildflowers, reading classic novels, and handmade crafts. It celebrates the simplicity and comfort of our modern minimalism. Where Cottagecore comes from, Cottagecore draws inspiration from rural English countryside cottages, old European farmhouses, vintage homestead living, or romantic literature setting. It shares similarities with Shapetic farmhouse style, English country style, but Cottagecore feels softer, dreamier, and more nature-focused. The Cottagecore mood. The true understand Cottagecore imagine soft sunlight through lace curtains, fresh flowers in a ceramic jug, open windows with a breeze, or a crochet blanket on a wooden chair. Use a cup of tea beside a stack of old books. It's cozy, romantic, and nostalgic. Textures and layers very important. Cottagecore is all about layering textures. Use linen curtains, lace table runners, crochet towels, quilted bedspreads, distressed wooden furniture, and wicker baskets. The more soft and natural textures you mix, the more authentic it feels. Decorative details that make a big difference. Here are small touches that instantly create Cottagecore charm. Use dried lavender bundles, botanical prints in vintage frames, floral teacups on open shelves, handwritten recipe cards, or use candles in brush holders. Also use embodied cushion covers. Little nostalgic details matters more than big expensive furniture. Cottagecore for small homes. Even in a small space, you can create it by using floral curtains, adding a crochet throw, decorating with plants, displaying vintage chairs, using firm plaiting instead of bright white lights. You don't need a big countryside house, just thoughtful details. Why it feels so comforting? Cottagecore creates this emotional comfort because it reminds us of childhood and grandmother's homes, feels safe and calm, encourages solo living, celebrates handmade creativity. It is especially perfect for someone who loves crochet, vintage, and rustic charm. The philosophy of Cottagecore is more than decorating. It is about creating a lifestyle and mood that celebrates simplicity, nature, and nostalgia. Its main ideas are solo living, enjoying small daily pleasures like baking, gardening, or reading by a window. For nature connection, incorporating plants, flowers, and natural materials into your home. For handmade and artisanal, like crochet, embroidery, quilting, and other handcrafted items are central. For romantic nostalgia, evoking memories of countryside life, vintage homes, and simpler times. It is a cozy escape from modern chaos. Core elements of Cottagecore. Here is a detailed breakdown of what makes a space Cottagecore. First, color. Use soft muted shades like cream, ivory, shades, pastel pinks, lavender, or sky blue. Uses arctic tones like warm browns, soft greens, faded yellows. Slightly worn or sun-faded look is ideal, nothing too bold or modern. Furniture and layout. Uses distressed wooden furniture or vintage switches. Use wicker or rattan chairs and baskets. Use open shelving with visible dishes, jars, or cookbooks. Furniture add-ons to encourage cozy hooks for reading or relaxing. Use textiles and handmade decor, crochet blankets and pillow covers. Use lace or embodied curtains. Use quilts, knitted throws, and layered cushions. Use table learners, toys, and small handmade crafts. Nature and florals. Use fresh or dried flowers in vases or jars. Use potted plants or hanging greenery. Use floral wallpapers, botanical prints, or vintage flower art. Natural materials like linen, cotton, wood, clay, and wicker. Lighting. Use warm, soft lighting is key. Use fairy lights, vintage lamps, candles, or lanterns. Sunlight filtering through light fabrics adds a dreamy feel. Use small decorative details, vintage teacups or crockery. On open shelves, use old books, handwritten notes, and postcards. Use simple rustic kitchen tools displays as decor. Use decorative jars, glass bottles, or ceramic pitchers with flowers. It is all about personal touches that tell a story. Why Cottagecore feels so magical? Evokes a calm, nostalgic mood reminiscent of a grandmother's home or countryside life. Encourages creativity through handmade crafts. Connects your home with nature and soft textures. Perfect for creating a cozy, lived-in, peaceful sanctuary. The heart of Cottagecore. At its core, Cottagecore is about slowing down, celebrating simple, mindful living. Nature and seasons, bringing the outdoors inside like flowers, plants, herbs, and natural light. Handcrafted charm, crochet, knitting, embroidery, and quilting. Things made with love. Nostalgic comfort, evoking memories of countryside cottages, grandmother's homes, and cozy, intimate spaces. Think of it as living in a storybook cottage rather than a modern, minimalistic home. Cottagecore is all about emotion and atmosphere, not just visuals. Calm and comforting, uses soft colors, natural textures, and handmade items. Romantic and nostalgia evoke old world charm and countryside living. For creative and personal, encourages DIY projects, crafts, and personal touches. Nature connected, like plants, flowers, and natural light, create a beautiful environment. Cottagecore is a lifestyle-inspired aesthetic, quite romantic, quite rural, quite nostalgic. It works beautifully with windows farmhouse, shopping chic, and handmade crochet decor. Cottagecore as a lifestyle, not just decor. Cottagecore is not just about how your home looks. It is about how it feels and functions. It celebrates solo and mindful living. Spending time baking, reading, journaling, or tending to plants. Nature as an inspiration, bringing the outdoors in with flowers, herbs, and natural materials. Handmade artistry, crochet, knitting, embroidery, and repurposed vintage items. For nostalgia and comfort, evoking memories of childhood, countryside cottages, and family heirlooms. Think of it as creating a cozy sanctuary that feels timeless, gentle, and personal. Decorative details that define Cottagecore. Small touches make the biggest difference. Use fresh or charred flowers in vases or jars. Use handwritten recipe cards or letters displayed. Use vintage clocks, mirrors, and picture frames. Handmade pottery and kitchen tools. Use candles, lanterns, or fairy lights for soft illumination. Use crochet trolleys, table runners, and pillow covers. The philosophy is collected over time, not perfect or new. Seasonal and natural connections. Cottagecore celebrates the cycles of nature. Spring. Use fresh flowers, pastel decor, or soft linens. For summer, use herbs, wildflowers, light fabrics, outdoor-inspired touches. For autumn, use dried flowers, pumpkins, warm plantings, and knitted throws. For winter, use coils, candles, cozy nooks, and layered textures. Seasonal changes bring variety while styling true to the aesthetic. The emotional appeal. calm and cozy, a safe, lived-in atmosphere that reduces stress. Romantic and nostalgic, evokes winter's charm, countryside life, and grandmother's homes. Creative and personal, encourages crafting, DIY projects, and personalization. Nature connected, plants, flowers, and natural light bring life and serenity. Cottagecore is an immersive lifestyle-inspired aesthetic blending vintage farmhouse charm, shabbatic softness, handmade personal touches like crochet or embroidery, nature, nostalgia, and comfort. It is perfect for creating a peaceful, romantic, and cozy home. One that tells your personal story while embracing timeless countryside charm. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and